I bet you are seeing more foreclosure headlines and talk of a weakening job market. So, is the housing about to crash, or is this just noise? Today, MyDigitalListing.com, the real estate team with a PhD in results powered by LPT Realty, is breaking down what's really happening and what it means if you're thinking about buying or selling in 2026. In 2025, about 367,000 U.S. properties had a foreclosure filing, which is up 14% from 2024, but still a tiny fraction of what we saw after the 2008 crash. That works out to roughly 0.25% of all housing units, above the ultra-low pandemic years, but still well below pre-COVID levels and nowhere near the crisis peak. On the jobs side, the U.S. added around 584,000 jobs in 2025, the weakest year for job growth outside a recession since 2003, so the economy is clearly cooling. If the job market weakens further, foreclosure rates can accelerate, especially in communities that rely heavily on a few major employers or already struggle with affordability. For sellers, this is no longer a name-your-price market. Buyers are more price-sensitive, and distressed or bank-owned homes can put pressure on overpriced listings nearby. The good news is inventory is still relatively tight in many areas, so if you price strategically, present your home well, and use smart incentives like rate buy-downs, you can still walk away with strong results. For buyers and investors, a rise in foreclosures and softer job growth often means more motivated sellers, more negotiation room, and better terms, especially if you're well qualified and patient. This is the time to underwrite carefully, focus on solid cash flow and strong neighborhoods, and look for value in distressed or near-distressed situations rather than betting on automatic appreciation. Every market is local, and the national numbers only tell part of the story. Your neighborhood can behave very differently from the national headlines. If you want a clear, numbers-driven game plan for buying, selling, or investing in 2026, reach out to the real estate and financial professionals at MyDigitalListing.com, the team with a PhD in results powered by LPT Realty. Contact us today and let data, not drama, drive your next move.